Hello guys. Now if you are experiencing a problem whereby your video freezes but sound continues to play on Netflix, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get started, you can go ahead and access the help page if you are logged into your Netflix. However, if you are not signed into your Netflix account, you can just go ahead and visit official Netflix website and then scroll down until you see this help center. So go ahead and click on help center, and under help center, scroll down until you see explore topics. Under this, go to fix a problem and choose error codes. Now, if you click on error codes here, you can see we have quite a number of errors that you might be experiencing. Go ahead and click on the first one, Netflix isn't working. Under this, we have this option, video freezes, but sound keeps playing. Now, if you click on this, you can see we have various solutions for various gadgets. We are told if the video freezes on one image, but the sound continues when you watch a title, it typically points to information stored on your device that needs to be refreshed. So the following are steps you can use to troubleshoot depending on your device. So we have solutions for Amazon Fire TV. We have a solution for Android TV. We have solutions for PlayStation 3, Roku Smart TV, and all the other gadgets. You can go ahead and go under for each and every device. For instance, for a smart TV, you are told you need to restart your device. For this, just go ahead and unplug your device from the power, and then press the power button on the device once and wait for 1 minute, or leave it unplugged for 3 minutes instead. You can also go ahead and now plug your device back in and then turn your device on and try Netflix again. For all the other devices, you can also try the same methods, and this should be more or less the same. For PlayStation, you are told to delete saved game data, and we have here step-by-step process to do so, and this should be able to solve your problem. If you are on Android TV, you are also told to restart your TV by pressing and holding the power button on your remote until the TV restarts, then try again opening Netflix. So that's how you can solve video freezes but sound keeps playing on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.